So I have some pictures for you. We'll go down the memory lane. इसकी पीछे कुछ कहानियां होंगी, I'm sure, जो आप हमें बता पाए. पहला पिक्चर है ये.
Wow, I think this is at some Leela party. I think Shahrukh, Gauri, me. Not sure who's which party, but it was in Leela poolside.
You have a great equation with him. Now, when you
Yeah.
celebrated your 48th birthday,
Yeah.
he was also there for a long time.
Yeah.
Even I remember that video very categorically when Rekha ji came. I think she was one of the first person to came. She threw rose petals at you.
Yeah.
And then she nazar utaroed yours.
Yeah.
And then she came and hugged you.
Yeah.
वो कैमरादरी अलग थी उस जमाने में शाहरुख के साथ, रेखा जी के साथ.
So रेखा जी के साथ मेरी दोस्ती बाद में हुई है. मैं उतनी खुली नहीं थी उनके साथ. बाद में जब मैं खुली और जब मैंने उनका दूसरा रूप देखा जो वो भी खुल गई, मैंने कहा माय गुडनेस, यू नो, देयर इज सो मच ऑफ विजडम, देयर इज सो मच ऑफ वुमन, देयर इज सो मच ऑफ गर्ल, देयर इज सो मच ऑफ everything is there in that woman, you know, art, intelligence, wisdom, compassion, beauty. I mean, she's an enigma. You know, she's an icon.
She's an icon.
Something that it's unmatched, really unmatched. Her talent, her beauty, everything is unmatched. So, but our friendship and fondness grew much later on. Whereas Shahrukh's been my friend or our friend from his beginning days. I remember going to his Mount Mary apartment with the whole shebang, and there used to be chatais on his flat, and we used to all sit on the chatai, and we all were like, you know, buddies, and you know, very young, though I came 1 or 2 years earlier to him.
Yes.
To Bombay, but we bonded a lot. It was him who advised me to buy a house in Bombay. He said, you know, Manisha, we both have come from outside Bombay. And to belong to Bombay, we need to have a place so that, you know, it becomes वो मतलब अपनापन आ जाएगा उसमें. तो उसने पहला ही बंदा था जिसने मुझे एडवाइस किया कि अगर तुम घर खरीद लोगी यू विल बी रूटेड हियर. तो ऐसा कुछ, you know, तो वी गो लॉन्ग बैक.
Yeah. Many years. दिल से oh my God.
Yeah.
जिसने भी देखी है उसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्यार हुआ है.
Yeah.
You were telling me about this moment with Rekha ji. What was that moment when you all actually opened up?
It was a special time when I was seeing her without makeup. She's beautiful. And then we sat and bonded, you know, for hours long. And I was listening to her and I was getting mesmerized because, you know, उनका वो जो एक दीवार था वो गिर गया था और वो उनकी जो असली खूबसूरती थी वो नज़र आ रही थी. And I did a couple of shows with her. I used to meet her in this thing. So there was always this the star, Rekha, the big star, was always the present. But here I was seeing another aspect of her. And I just saw उन्होंने वो खड़ा किया है अपने को बचाने के लिए.
जी, it's very important, right?
हम लोग सबको करना पड़ता है. तो लेकिन बहुत अच्छा बात हुआ था. We loved talking and ever since हमारी दोस्ती है.
Yeah, it was a very sweet moment. I remember the petals one very clearly. Next one.
Okay. Oh, this is Raju Rajaram. David supposed to direct this film, and Jackie Dada was supposed to produce this film with Chichi, Salman, and Dada, and there was this. It's meant to be deaf, mute, and dumb, something blind.
Yeah.
Person. There's a play, and we were supposed to do this into a film.
You worked with all actors of their generation. I don't think you've not worked with Shahrukh, Salman, Amir, Ajay, Akshay. You've done Jani Dushman. I don't know if we count that or not. But you worked with all these actors of that time. Do you still have that bond with all of them?
I no, with time and many things happens, and we don't meet for years, and things have changed. People change, and I mean those days were different. we all were friends. एंड हम लोग तो सेट्स अगर हम लोग फिल्में करते तो काफ़ी हम लोग पंगे लेते थे, काफ़ी मस्ती करते थे. Those are happy days.
Yeah.
Very, very happy days.
Yeah.
We were the brats.
You guys
know,
were?
Yeah. And we really enjoyed our work. But also we would play pranks. So it was fun.
You remember any of the prank?
I wouldn't want to share.
Why won't you?
No. I wouldn't want to share. No.
But that time 3-4 shifts you all did, right? So when
Yeah.
you went from one set to the other, I'm sure the actors would change, the co-star would change. How did
Yeah.
you keep a track? कि
We
अब मैं ये
would.
play कर रहा, अब ये play कर रहा, अब ये play कर
We
रहा.
would. You know, it's a human, you will be, you know, this is what I've realized. Human brain and human body, is potential is limitless.
जी.
और अभी हम सोच आजकल के जो है वो सोच भी नहीं सकते कि कैसे हम लोग करते थे. लेकिन हम लोग ने किया और वैसा ही दौर था वो, और हम लोग ने ईज के साथ किया.
जी. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल है पूरे इंटरव्यू का. अगर जानी दुश्मन का सीक्वल बनेगा तो आप करेंगी? I really want to know when you were shooting that film, what was happening on the set. Did you guys realize क्या shoot हो रहा है, कैसे जा रहा है? It's an outstanding film.
It was a
इतनी बार
cult
देखी है
classic,
TV में.
man.
It's a cult classic.
It's a cult classic.
It's a cult classic. But what was the set like? Did you realize what you guys were doing, or it was just happening?
Of course, we knew what we were getting into. So, anyways, yeah. Moving on.
Next one. This one.
Wow. I don't know the event. Anil Kapoor, Feroz Saab, Mithun ji, Amit ji, and I'm not sure who this is. I don't remember this event. It has to be some function. Muhurat, some films Muhurat. Must be.
But
we used to do big Muhurat those days.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. But it's ironic, right? We recently got an award from Faideen, and there was a time when Feroz Saab has also given you an award.
Yeah, that's what I told FK, that Feroz Saab, for me, this award was so special that Faideen gave me because Feroz Saab had given me many years ago.
You worked with Feroz Saab also.
Yeah, and he was very fond of me, you know. He was a father figure. He was somebody who was extremely kind, and he was known to be ferocious. He was known to be temperamental, and but what sophistication, what style, what personality. You know, we don't see such people anymore.
Yeah.
You know, when I was coming from Kathmandu to Mumbai, and I was thinking, I really miss Feroz Saab. I really miss Ashok Mehta Saab. Because Ashok ji was like, I used to call him Chachu or Bossy, was also like a father figure to me. From my first film Saudagar till his last breath, you know, we were close. And I used to go and and he used to, you know, get upset with me. These guys had full right to, you know, fire me and get upset with me. You know, they had full right to, you know, because I knew that the intention was good.
Yeah.
They loved me, and I, you know, loved them, and I put them in their pedestal, and so I really miss them.
During your load, have they fired you? Saying, "Kya kar rahi hai?"
Of course. So they had full right to tell me.
Yeah. That's friendship.
Yeah.
Next one.
My God. ओके, इसका बैक स्टोरी मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, लेकिन ये फोटो ये जो है हॉलीवुड के एक्टर स्टीवन सीगल और शाहरुख एंड फिरोज एंड मी, फिरोज नाडेडवाला, एंड बेसिकली Feroz had announced a film with me and Sanjay Dutt, with Bhatt Saab as a director.
Wow.
And he was in town, so he came. And Feroz had requested me to call Shah Rukh, so you know, so I had requested Shah Rukh to come, and this is.
Yeah, that film didn't get made.
We made a film, but please don't ask me the names, and I've forgotten. Don't kill me.
Sure. Next one.
Yeah, I think this was for the movie magazine.
Oh, okay.
I think this was either Cineblitz or movie magazine. So Ravina and me, you know. So we used to party together.
You all
Ravina,
are friends?
Pooja, Manish. Yeah. All of us, we entered around the same time.
Yeah.
And same age group, एक 2 साल ऊपर नीचे. But yeah, we were friends. Somi Ali, Ravina, Pooja, and Shahrukh also, on and off sometimes. And yeah.
This notion back then actresses can't be friends was false, right?
Yes and no. I mean, of course, there was undercurrent insecurity was lying, but also, you know, I think our days were far more relaxed. Our days we were slightly carefree and relaxed and confident in some level of ourselves and which path we want to go. And you know, इतना clarity नहीं था, लेकिन हम खुश लोग थे. हमें बचपना ज्यादा था,
जी.
सीरियसनेस कम थी. और तो उसमें इतना वो भी नहीं था. मतलब था, हम लोग कभी कभी एक दूसरे के बारे में खराब बोल भी देते थे मीडिया में, और मेरे साथ तो काफ़ी हुआ है. लेकिन
आपने कहा या किसी ने?
हाँ, मैंने भी कहा. मैं भी चुप नहीं रहती थी. तो मैंने भी कहा सामने से, मुझे भी दिस थिंग. बट वो कुछ 1-2 साल रहा, उसके बाद यू नो हमको अकल आ गई कि ये गलत चीज़ है भैया, हम गलत रास्ते में जा रहे हैं. तो सब लोग उसके बाद चुप हो गए, थोड़ा मैच्योरिटी आने लगा. लेकिन दोस्ती भी थी, लड़ाई भी था, ऐसा था माहौल.
You miss that today?
No, I think वो वक्त कुछ और था, वो दौर कुछ और था, ये वक्त कुछ और है, ये दौर कुछ और.
जी. Last one. This one. I really want to know the story about this one. I love the picture.
I always experimented with my looks.
जी.
And some turned out bad. Okay, so but I experimented and yeah.
But this was for a photo shoot.
Photo shoot.
And you decided to dress.
Yeah, I
like a
just
sadhu.
wear a sadhu and be a sadhu. इसमें कोई मुझे साधु बनने की कोई वो नहीं था. हालांकि अभी है. But I have many friends who are you know into that space.
Yeah. Mine too. Monkhood excites you?
Yes, not excites, but I enjoy the company because we talk about things which normally I don't get to talk, and I always reach out to them when I'm confused.
Yeah.
So I've surrounded myself with some wise people.
Yeah, you have. You have,
Yes.
for sure.
Yeah.
Before Vijeta comes and sits here, Manisha ji, thank you so much. I can't tell you, I've had an amazing time speaking to you. I hope the 1 hour was easy for you as well.
Yes, it was. Indeed, it was. I was a little nervous. I was thinking, क्या बोलेंगे? But yeah, you were good. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I really want to see so much that you're doing in the future. As a fan, I can't wait to see everything that's coming in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.